In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Fidelity Full View. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Full View, understand what it can do for you, and add your external accounts so everything shows up in one place. If you already have a Fidelity login, you're ready to go. Start by signing in to the official Fidelity Investments website using your usual username and password. If you're prompted for multi-factor verification, complete that as well. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and go to Accounts and Trade. From that menu, select Full View. This takes you straight to the Full View dashboard. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the Fidelity Full View login page on their site and sign in there. It leads to the same place. As a quick tip, always make sure you're on the legitimate Fidelity site before entering any credentials. Inside Full View, you'll see a centralized dashboard designed to help you track your financial life across institutions. You can view bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments together, which makes it easier to spot trends and stay organized. Full View provides insights into your spending and budgets, shows your net worth over time, and automatically categorizes transactions to reduce manual work. You can review those categories to make sure they reflect your actual spending, and over time, the system typically gets better at sorting similar transactions. To add your external accounts, begin on the Full View dashboard. Click Add Account. A search box will appear. Type the name of your bank or financial institution and select it from the results. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the login credentials you use for that institution. This is how Full View securely connects to retrieve balances and transactions. After submitting your information, follow any verification steps that appear. These may include entering a one-time code, confirming your identity in your bank's app, or answering security questions. Keep your phone or email handy so you can complete that verification without interruption. Once the connection is successful, your account will start syncing. Give it a few moments to pull in balances and recent transactions. You can repeat the add account process for as many banks, cards, loans, and investment firms as you want, so your entire financial picture is visible in one dashboard. After everything populates, explore your spending summaries, check your budget views, and review your net worth snapshot. That's all there is to accessing Fidelity Full View and getting your accounts connected.